Hello. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at common areas of interest in the Drivers app, specifically the parcel lookup feature, driver messaging, and where you can find your unconfirmed stops. To get started, we're going to click on the three-line menu in the very top left that you can find right here on the stops list. From here, you can see we have the parcel lookup, we have messages, and we have unconfirmed stops. When you click on Parcel Lookup, you'll be brought to this screen where you can look up a parcel on your device by either scanning it or manually entering the barcode, and it will bring up any stop information for that particular barcode. As you can see in this example, the barcode that we scanned has a few stops that it's associated with. When you click on Messaging, you'll be brought to your inbox where you can see any messages that you have. In this example, we do have an unread message that's the subject line is door code. You can also see your sent messages in the outbox. You can also send a message to your dispatchers by clicking on the Compose button in the bottom right, and it'll bring up the message form to fill out. To view one of your messages, simply click on it and we'll open up the message where you'll be able to see the subject and the body of the message, as we can see in this example here. If you'd like to reply to this message, you can click on the green arrow in the bottom right corner of the screen, and you can also delete the message by clicking on the trash can in the bottom left. To send a message, you'll be able to choose a dispatch email that's set up within the Operations app, and then you can add a subject and body of message, and this will be sent to that email address as an email. Finally, when on-demand orders are assigned to you as a driver, you will first have to confirm them by default. To do this, you can navigate over to the unconfirmed stops, and you'll be able to see any stops that you have yet to confirm. You'll see both the pickup and delivery information, and you can confirm those individually, or you can click on the Confirm All button in the very bottom right of the screen that you can see here. This concludes a brief overview of a few common areas of interest in the Drivers app. Thank you for watching.